Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. I just want to talk to you a little bit about this week. So we're on week 6, professional communication. I think it's a really interesting overall module. I think you're going to learn a lot from it. You're going to talk about professional communication, how to do body language, of course. And when you read the material, I think you'll learn about all the efforts of communication beyond just verbal, right? So I'm going to watch a video about effective communication from Simon Sinek. It's about 5 minutes long. He's an excellent communicator, and I just want you to watch what he does in relation to maybe some of the ways you communicate or some of the ways you've heard others communicate. But I think it would be helpful for you to look at that. You have, of course, a lecture that is coming up, week 6 lecture. So be sure to take a look at your PowerPoint and then some other slides from your textbook. For you to look at. And then the only really assignment you have this week is discussion number 4. So do your initial reply by Wednesday, and then your initial post by Wednesday and your reply by Sunday. I know last week was a little challenging, maybe the week before as well, because we looked at APA format. So I want to give you a little bit of a break this week. Just do your discussion post. But I want to talk really quickly about some of the assignments that people have missed. Be sure that you're getting everything done. So when you take a look at your grade center calculations, if you missed anything on there, you need to submit it pretty soon because you have a deduction when you have a late assignment. So of course this week, which ends on 10/3, so what we just went over starts on 10/4. This work is due 10/3. You have your APA paragraph, which is due, and then your discussion for week 5, which is due tomorrow. So that's October the 3rd. And then if you missed anything before that, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you along the way. Maybe I've reached out to you about that already, but I want to make sure that you're getting your work done. Overall, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy with the way things are going. I talked to a lot of people about their APA outline, and I want to encourage you to reach out to me via email if you have questions, because I'm happy to look over how you're formatting APA, give you feedback and tips before you submit the final paper. So this is meant to help you, not to be more of a burden or a challenge, but use it as a resource. If you need anything, please let me know, and I hope that you have a great weekend, and next week is great for you as well. Thanks.